In this video, let me show you how to fix the TikTok shadow ban problem. Welcome back to this new video, everyone. Now, in this situation, the first thing that you need to do is confirm if your account is actually shadow banned or not. So what you need to do in this case is run a search test. So you can use a different account that you have or use your friend's account and search for your exact username. If your videos or the profile does not appear on the search results, you could confirm that your account may have been shadow banned. So in this situation, what you need to do is you need to head over to the post that you made or the TikToks that you made and take a look at all of those posts where you might have used the copyrighted music or people may have reported the video. So what you need to do is just remove the video that you posted, and within 1 to 2 weeks your ban should be lifted. Also, what you can try out is try to clear out the app cache and data. So just tap on the 3 lines on the top right, head over to settings and privacy. Scroll down a bit until you see the section called free up space. Within this section, just tap on the clear option. And once you've done that, you just need to hop out of the account, hop out of the app of TikTok and try to re-log in. Once you do these few steps, you should be able to fix this issue. And before posting, make sure that you wait out at least 48 to 72 hours before you start posting again. So I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.